Hello, my name is Monica. I am fourth year energy science student at Atria University. I will be talking about my project peer-to-peer solar energy trading. So this is basically a digital marketplace for a seller or a producer who is willing to sell the excess generated energy through solar rooftop. Instead of selling it back to the grid, it is sold to the consumer or a peer who's needing the excess energy. Here, example would be, it is same as booking in Uber. Like you have, you want to go somewhere, you need something, you need an Uber to go somewhere. So there's an radius. So the nearest cab driver would be coming to me instead of like the farthest one. So this says that we are taking it from the nearest producer, the consumer who is willing to buy the energy. So the producer who is producing the excess amount of energy is basically selling it to the consumer, and that consumer are selected on the basis of which one is the nearest and the most profitable one. So after that, there would be like more like penalties if the producer and the for consumer both, and the penalties would be given to the BESCOM. Like instead, if the consumer is overusing the electricity or underusing the electricity, and if the producer is not able to meet the demand that he has already told for. This application basically helps making both producer and consumer independent of making their own electric energy prices and not being dependent on grid itself. This made my interest into energy trading, and so I am more interested into energy trading, like energy market and all.